Hello, and welcome to the Henrico Digital Resource Menu, also referred to as the HDRM. This brief tutorial will give you an overview of this menu and explain how you might use it. As we all know, many digital resources are available to teachers and students. Some of those resources, whether available for free or paid, may compromise the safety of our students. The HDRM helps teachers, students, and families determine which of those resources are instructionally sound and appropriately vetted for student safety and privacy. The HDRM is a database of approved resources safe to use by students of all levels and integrated into our online curriculum. To check if a digital resource is approved, you can scroll through the alphabetical list, or you can go up top and click on the magnifying glass and type in a resource name. For example, if I type in WeVideo, that'll pull up the WeVideo content. When I click on WeVideo, I'm given a preview that has recommended grade levels, a brief description of the product, how can students access the resource, a welcome video, student directions explaining how to use WeVideo, a statement about privacy, and support and contact information for that product. Clicking off of that window takes me back to the original menu, and then clicking the X next to the magnifying glass will take me back to my original view. You'll also notice that we have tabs at the top to help filter this information. For example, if I teach elementary, I can click on the Elementary tab. It will filter resources that are specific to elementary students. If I want to locate resources specific to the math curriculum, simply click on the Math tab to view those digital resources by level. Additionally, a Pending Approval tab highlights resources that have not yet been approved but are going through the approval process. If approved, those pending reviews will transition to the Approved section of the HDRM. Lastly, several resources in the HDRM have a banner across their logo that reads See Note. If a teacher elects to use any of these resources, they need to take additional steps to set up a teacher-created class account. Students should not be logging into these resources, but can still use the resource by providing their students with a class code or an anonymous login. For example, if we take a look at Epic Books, if I click on it, I'll notice that there is a C Note. If I scroll down to the C Note section, it reads, if a teacher chooses to use this resource, they should not have students log in. Teachers should set up a class with a join code and use student first names only. Student last names should not be used when setting up a classroom account. Teachers have to register once and get a permanent class code that never changes. When students access the site, they use the teacher class code to log into the group. That pretty much covers the HDRM. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.